Castor oil is a true natural elixir, but many end up using it incorrectly without knowing that this could compromise its effects. With a long tradition as a natural remedy, it is famous for its incredible benefits for hair, skin, and general health. In this video, you will learn exactly how to apply castor oil the right way, so that your skin is healthier, your hair is stronger, and much more. Discover the essential tips to make the most of the power of this natural oil and transform your skincare routine. Castor oil has a rich and fascinating history dating back thousands of years. Its use has been recorded since ancient Egypt, where it was known as a powerful natural remedy and was used in beauty and health treatments. The Egyptians used castor oil not only to moisturize their skin, but also to brighten their complexion and even as fuel for oil lamps. First, main benefits of castor oil. Castor oil is a substance with numerous benefits recognized over the centuries, both for hair care and skin care for general well-being. When it comes to hair, this oil is widely praised for its properties that stimulate hair growth and strengthen strands. With a composition rich in fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, castor oil penetrates deeply into the scalp, which helps improve blood circulation. This increased circulation not only nourishes the hair roots, but also creates a favorable environment for hair growth, as well as reducing hair loss. For those struggling with dryness, castor oil is an ideal solution as it ages like a natural sealer, trapping moisture within hair fibers and leaving hair visibly more hydrated and healthy looking. Its regular use helps combat split ends and regain the elasticity of the strands, making the hair less exposed to breakage and providing a smoother, shinier texture. For the skin, castor oil offers deep and rigorous hydration that is particularly beneficial for dry, sensitive, or sensitive skin. Its emollient composition, combined with the presence of vitamin E and antioxidants, allows it to penetrate the deepest layers of the skin, forming a protective barrier that prevents moisture loss. This barrier, in addition to hydrating, helps with cell regeneration, being ideal for skin that shows cracks, peeling, or signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and irritation, making it an excellent option for people with conditions such as eczema or psoriasis. Additionally, castor oil acts as a gentle cleansing agent, removing impurities and makeup residue from the skin without drying it out, which helps maintain a healthier, more refreshed appearance over time. General well-being is also an area that benefits from the use of castor oil, especially in the relief of muscle and joint pain. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil has traditionally been used to relieve muscle tension and pain associated with joint strain. Applied in the form of hot compresses, it penetrates deep into the skin and affects inflamed muscles and tissues, providing a feeling of relaxation that can be very helpful for those suffering from conditions such as arthritis. Another relevant benefit is its antibacterial and antifungal action, which not only protects the skin against infections, but also strengthens nails and cuticles, preventing them from becoming brittle. For those looking for natural care for different areas of the body, castor oil presents itself as a versatile ally, providing a holistic treatment that ranges from aesthetic issues to physical well-being. Second, how to apply castor oil correctly. The correct application of castor oil is essential to enjoy all its benefits without leaving your hair or skin heavy and oily. For hair, the most effective application is to place a few drops of oil in the palms of your hands and then massage directly into the scalp with circular movements. This massage stimulates blood flow and allows castor oil to act directly on the hair roots, essential for stimulating hair growth and nourishing the scalp. For an even better result, it is recommended to combine castor oil with leafy oils, such as coconut or almond. This mixture facilitates the distribution of castor oil and also facilitates washing, in addition to intensifying the moisturizing effect, preventing the hair from becoming too heavy. This treatment can be done weekly, leaving the oil to act for at least an hour before washing, or even overnight, if you want an intensive treatment. On the skin, castor oil can be used directly on specific areas that require hydration or irritation. Apply a small amount directly to dry or irritated skin, massaging gently until the oil is completely absorbed. A very effective but little-known application method is the use of castor oil compresses. This technique involves moistening a clean towel with hot oil and applying it to the skin, allowing the nutrients to penetrate deeper. This is especially useful for technical areas like knees, elbows, and feet, which often have thicker skin and extra hydration. To maximize effectiveness, compresses can be applied at night, leaving the oil to act while you sleep for intense recovery. To ensure the safe and effective use of castor oil in general care, it is important to avoid overdoing it. Castor oil is very dense, and using too much can clog pores, causing an oily feeling. In general, we recommend applying it 2 to 3 times a week, but this frequency may vary depending on the specific needs of each person's hair and skin. When used moderately, castor oil provides excellent results and prevents the build-up effect that can leave skin and hair saturated. Third, common mistakes in using castor oil. Despite the benefits of castor oil, many users end up making mistakes that hinder its effectiveness or even cause discomfort. One of the most frequent mistakes is excessive use. As castor oil is very dense, it is important to remember that a small amount is enough. Applying an excessive amount can not only cause an oily sensation, but also make it difficult to remove oil from the hair and clog the skin pores, which can lead to problems such as scalp acne or even flaking. Another common mistake is using pure castor oil on sensitive areas. As it is a heavy oil, it may not be suitable for direct application to thin, delicate areas of the skin, such as the face, without prior dilution. Mixing with leafy oils, such as jojoba or almond oil, not only helps with absorption, but also prevents any feeling of excessive heaviness. Furthermore, in the case of hair, a common mistake is to apply the oil directly to the strands, instead of focusing on the scalp. When used in large quantities on the length of the hair, castor oil can leave strands weighed down and looking dirty. The correct application consists of massaging the oil only into the scalp and roots, allowing the nutrients to reach the areas that occur most during the treatment. This practice prevents the accumulation of product in the hair and facilitates removal during washing, ensuring that the hair remains hydrated and light. Fourth, tips to get the best results. To enhance the benefits of castor oil, an important tip is to combine it with other natural oils that complement its properties. Argan oil, for example, is an excellent complement for those looking to strengthen their hair, as it is lighter and improves the texture of the hair, while coconut oil intensifies the moisturizing effect on both the skin and hair. To maximize results, consider incorporating castor oil into your nighttime routine by applying it before bed. During the night, the skin and hair have a greater capacity to absorb nutrients, and the prolonged exposure time allows for more intense hydration, meaning you wake up with soft skin and revitalized hair. Another tip is to establish a weekly routine with castor oil. Applying it once or twice a week can provide visible results in just a few weeks, such as stronger hair and more hydrated skin. For hair, try leaving it for a few hours before washing. And for skin, use compresses or massages for deep absorption. This regular care with castor oil offers a natural and effective treatment that, over time, can replace conventional products, bringing more health and beauty to your skin and hair. Fifth, frequently asked questions. One of the most frequently asked questions about castor oil is whether it can be used on all skin and hair types. The answer, generally speaking, is yes. Castor oil is versatile and can benefit both oily and dry skin, as well as fine and thick hair. However, it is a dense oil, so it is always discreet to do a sensitivity test by applying a small amount to the skin, especially the face, to ensure there are no adverse reactions. Additionally, people with oily skin may prefer to dilute castor oil with lighter oils, such as jojoba oil, to avoid a heavy or excessively greasy feeling. Another common question is about rinsing castor oil from your hair after application. While you can leave it on overnight for a deep treatment, it's generally recommended to rinse the oil out well the next morning to prevent it from building up in your hair, which can feel heavy and difficult to remove with subsequent washes. Washing with a mild shampoo is usually enough to remove excess, keeping the hair hydrated without oily residue. Finally, many people wonder about the difference between cold-pressed and refined castor oil. Cold-pressed oil is obtained without the use of heat and therefore maintains a higher concentration of nutrients and antioxidant properties. It is the preferred choice for beauty treatments as it provides maximum benefits to the skin and hair. Organic castor oil, on the other hand, goes through a purification process, which makes it lighter but also reduces its effectiveness compared to cold-pressed oil. Therefore, for those looking for the most intensive benefits, cold-pressed castor oil is the most recommended option. Castor oil is a true natural treasure with a long history of use in diverse cultures around the world. From ancient times to modern medicine, it has emerged as an essential ingredient in skin, hair, and general well-being routines. Its moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties make it extremely effective, whether it's stimulating hair growth, nourishing dry skin, or relieving muscle and joint pain. However, to fully enjoy its benefits, it is essential to understand the correct application techniques and avoid the most common mistakes, such as excessive use and lack of dilution. By incorporating castor oil into your routine on a weekly basis, you are not only enjoying the benefits of this natural product, but also promoting a more conscious and healthy approach to self-care. Whether applied alone or in combinations with other oils, castor oil can provide visible transformations in just a few weeks, making it a powerful ally for those who want smoother skin, stronger hair, and renewed general well-being. So explore the uses of castor oil, adapt it to your needs, and enjoy all the benefits it has to offer, safe in the knowledge that you are using one of the most respected and effective natural substances in the world.